Okay, I'm back over here at Jackwood, and after I showed the owner this pinched wire behind the airbox here, I started coming back here to try to pry the box off of the wire like this, and it just wouldn't move, and I wasn't able to pull the wire up. And right here, as you can see, the screw from downstairs went right into the wire. Right into the wire. So now I'm going to go downstairs and take the register off and remove that screw. Crazy. Okay, so here I am at the airbox. And it wasn't even a screw, it's a nail right there. And that nail is in the wire. So we're going to try to get that out. So here is the air conditioning register. That's why you see the air and the light in the attic. They just got one nail in there, which is right there, right between my fingers. Right there. Focus is not good. Where's my focus? There's my focus. There's that nail. And it is right through the wire. So I got the power off so I can safely remove this. And let's see what's on there underneath there. Okay, I got this thing pulled down. Check this son of a bitch out. They use nails. No one uses nails anymore. Everybody screws these things in. 2 nails. That's like a trifecta. Right through the wire. Right through the wires. Bullseye. Okay, so I'm back up here in the attic. Dead on. There's one hole right there. And there's the other one right there. Now I'm going to strip the insulation back and see how much damage it did to the insulation of the conductors. Be right back. Okay, I'm not sure how much the video, my focusing on my iPhone, but right there, about 1/4 of an inch to the left of my pliers, is where the nail was hitting, broke through the insulation of the hot conductor, which means that nail and the airbox would have been energized with 120 volts. And then here is where the other one looks like it pinched, but I really can't tell for sure if that would have broken the insulation yet.